Hello everyone. Today you will learn how to have a conversation on the phone to arrange a party. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of organizing a fabulous party over the phone with a friend. 2 example dialogues will get you ready. Whether it's a birthday celebration, a garden get-together, or a casual hangout. So let's start. Dialogue 1. Phone ringing. Friend. Hello? You? Hey, it's me. How's your day going? Friend. Hey, I'm good, thanks. What's going on? You. I've been thinking, wouldn't it be lovely to have a garden party to celebrate the start of summer? What do you think? Friend. Oh, I love that idea. Count me in. What's the plan? You. I was thinking of having it in my backyard next Sunday afternoon. We could set up some cozy seating areas and maybe even string some fairy lights for ambience. Friend. That sounds absolutely enchanting. Should we have a theme or keep it open? You. I think keeping it open would be nice. People can come dressed however they like. What about food and drinks? Friend. We could do some light snacks and finger foods. I'll bring some mini quiches and a refreshing fruit punch. You. Sounds delightful. I'll whip up some salads and maybe a dessert or two. How many people should we invite? Friend. Let's keep it intimate. Maybe around 8 to 10 people. You. Agreed. I'll jot down a guest list and send it over to you so we can coordinate invitations. Also, do you think we should plan any activities? Friend. We could set up a small DIY flower crown station and maybe have some classic lawn games like croquet or bocce ball. You. That sounds lovely. I'll gather some flowers for the crowns and dust off the croquet set. Thanks for the ideas. Friend. No problem at all. It's going to be a magical day. You. Absolutely. All right, I'll start making preparations and keep you in the loop. Friend, sounds like a plan. Talk to you soon. You. Bye. Dialogue 2. Friend, hello? You. Hey there. How's it going? Friend. Hey, I'm good, thanks. What's up? You. So, I was thinking with the weather getting warmer, it'd be awesome to organize a garden party at my place. What do you think? Friend. Oh, that sounds like so much fun. Count me in. What's your plan? You. I was thinking we could have it next Saturday afternoon. We can set up some tables and chairs in the garden, maybe even some blankets for people to lounge on. Friend. That sounds perfect. Should we have a theme or keep it casual? You. I think keeping it casual would be nice. People can wear whatever they feel comfortable in. How about food and drinks? Friend, we could do a potluck style for food. I can bring some sandwiches and a fruit salad. And for drinks, maybe some homemade lemonade? You. Sounds delicious. I'll fire up the grill for some barbecue options too. How many people should we invite? Friend, let's keep it manageable. Maybe around 10 to 12 people. You. Agreed. I'll make a list and send it over to you so we can coordinate invitations. Also, do you have any games or activities in mind? Friend. I can bring some board games and a frisbee for outdoor fun. We could also set up a small DIY photo booth corner for some memorable snaps. You. That sounds awesome. I'll make sure to have some props ready. Thanks for the suggestions. Friend. No problem at all. It's gonna be a fantastic day. You. Absolutely. Alright, I'll start getting everything organized and keep you updated. Friend. Sounds like a plan. Talk to you soon. You. Bye.